Lai Ngut ke MLA ki barang Shu Jop kata Bah Pyniaid Sing Syiem na Mawryngkneng Constituency, Bah Eugeneson Lyngdoh na Mawphlang Constituency, bro Muhammad Abdus Saleh, jong Rajabala Constituency, kila Smai ha kasantring Naiwieng ahaja arpoi, ha ka hall jaka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, hapdeng jingiadon lang ki MLA, ki nongtrei jong ki party baki job, bar kumjuh ki bahayang hasem jong ki. Lapen Smai ki do lamphang jaka yengdoh bar thawan Bah med Bah Lyngdoh. Dagani ke jing Smai ki ki armut ki MLA ki NPP bar uwe MLA ke UDP ke yeng dor bar thawan ke jela mentak ladan pura baro andrip hongot ki rekhod kini ke MLA ki bedang Shu Jop Smai baro Lai Ngut habai krem beginang tho ke bor kila penpau ke jing sko kemen ban yo ban rung kum kinong mi khmat ke yeng dor bar bar kila kula ru ban train ke benta ke bha kamiat jong ki pait ba.
I'm very happy that I could serve the people in the constituency and the state of Meghalaya as an MLA. So we hope that this in the years to come, the remaining 1 year and 4 months which is left now in this term, I'll try my level best to bring development to the constituency and also to take part in assembly to discuss important issues relating with issues with the state government and the state as a whole. Like the ILP, the border issues, and also the farmers' issues, that I want to stress that these issues are very important for our people and for our state.
I'll try my best, and the people already has seen the developmental activities of the government. Therefore, people love this government and they have voted for all these three. So that answer too I can give you after 1.5 years only. You can ask me what development I have done for my people.
So what will be your top priorities during this period of 1 year?
Top priority is that health, roads, education, lots of things. Rajabala for a long time, no Congress means ruling ML was not there. For that thing I have to do lots of things for my people's expectation is high. Let me see how much I can do for this people.
To be honest, this wasn't the future that I had planned for myself, but God has other plans, and obviously I've taken over this, and I want to do my best, and obviously it's a different field, but there's always a starting point for everything, and I hope the starting point would be fruitful, and hopeful that in the coming years I would see that my constituency gains a lot from me joining politics.
Will you miss the football ground?
Definitely, football has always been my passion. Football has always been in my blood since I was a kid. But then we grow up, and my playing career has come to an end, and I have hung up my boots, but I've put on new boots, which is here in the assembly.
How do you differentiate between football and politics?
To be on the professionalism part, I think there isn't really much difference, because in football we have a lot of discipline and we have to prepare ourselves a lot before we go into matches. So I think it's important for me also to prepare, to be disciplined when I'm looking forward to serve my best for the constituency.